Today, with the explosion of medical information, identifying key evidence for drug discovery is becoming extremely challenging. The iterative trial and error process in clinical trial design consumes significant time and resources. The constant need to write and manage quality documents is taking time away from work that really matters. All of these are holding back the pharmaceutical innovation. Now, generative AI is stepping in to transform key stages and boost efficiency. AI powers intelligent medical information analysis and pinpoints valuable insights. AI enables clinical trial optimization, transforming trial design from experience-based guessing to data-driven decision-making. AI automates business operations, liberating business teams from repetitive documentation tasks. AI drives intelligent quality management, transitioning quality systems from passive compliance to proactive prevention. Generative AI is speeding up pharmaceutical value chain. From drug discovery, clinical trials, regulatory compliance, manufacturing to commercialization.